The purpose of these video clips is to clarify the simplicity of using the Elementor plugin in WordPress. Many plugins have some restraints. The Elementor Website Builder plugin is easy to implement, but does not start with a blank page. In this video clip, we'll create a blank page using the Elementor plugin. After installing WordPress and logging in, we start with the dashboard. We'll continue with plugins. Select Plugins. To keep it simple, delete all plugins. Add new. Search Elementor. Select Elementor Website Builder. Install now. Activate. Continue with themes. Select Appearance, Themes. Add new. Search Hello Elementor. Install. Activate. Back to Dashboard. And now Pages. Select Pages. To keep it simple, trash everything but the sample page. Quick Edit Sample Page. Change title and slug to Home. Leave Parent as Main Page. Update. Back to Dashboard. We'll continue with Settings. Settings. Reading. A static page and home. Save changes. Back to Dashboard. Back to Pages. Pages. Edit. Edit with Elementor. Delete unwanted images. Hover over the text. Select the X. Select triple bars. Site settings. Header. Disable site logo through menu. Back arrow. Footer. Disable site logo through copyright. Back arrow. Site identity. Site name. Change to what you want. Update. Back to editor. Gear icon on bottom left. Hide title. Update. We have a blank Elementor page. Select triple bars. Exit. Select the upper left W icon. We're back to the dashboard. End result? We have a blank page. To populate a blank Elementor page, see ndacademy.foxping.com, Elementor. This concludes the simplicity of using the Elementor plugin to create a blank page.